This product was sent to me by the brand, and here's my honest opinion. If you want to brighten your smile at home, this LED whitening light kit might be worth trying. This is the MySmile Teeth Whitening Accelerator Light Kit. Inside you get the LED whitening light, mouth trays, and a small whitening gel. The device uses 28 blue LED lights and connects through a USB charger. You apply the gel to the mouth tray, place it over your teeth, and use the light for about 10 minutes per session. The blue LED light is designed to help activate the whitening gel during the treatment. The setup is simple, and the USB charging option makes it easy to use at home or while traveling. The mouth tray is flexible and fits comfortably during the short sessions. If you're looking for an at-home teeth whitening tool that's quick and straightforward to use, this LED whitening light kit is a convenient option to add to your routine.